Now, what we practice as a church, as God's holy people, we can mention four at this time, but this is just partial list. We can add later. Okay. Number one is that we are a community of priests, prophets, and kings. So all interested are welcome to receive the gifts of baptism and ordination. When we say all, it's all. Whether, as Paul says, no Jew or Greek, no Greek or Jew. So all races, whether you're Asians, Americans, Europeans, whatever, everyone is welcomed. And whether you are male or female, can be priests, prophets, and kings. Whether you are professional or not, whether you are poor or rich, you are welcomed. All right. So, what else? And then second is that all baptized and ordained must have a job or means of living to support financially himself or herself or the family. If you have a family, then you must be able to support, because in here we don't make money by becoming priest, prophet, and king. All right. So we must have job in here. All right. And then the third one, then if you have job and then you have extra money and you love, of course, when we follow Christ, we can't help but reach out to others. Love, when we say love, the nature of that love is to give. We have to help others. Starting from our family members, maybe our brothers who are needy, maybe our neighbors, our relatives who are needy, then we extend help to them. All right, but we have to do it silently, and just like Jesus, when you give, when your left arm gives, then do not let the right arms know about it. Something like that. You should do it directly to the person, to the needy. Do not do it through the church or by giving, by tithing, something like that. No, there's no need of that. Direct. You have to do it yourself. And all right. Now, number 4 is that we respect all religions. We respect all religions. Religion is becomes part of our life. We cannot coerce them. We cannot force them to join us. We have to respect what they believe in life. As long as they feel they become closer to our Lord Jesus Christ every day in their religion, so be it. Let them do it. Right? So we do not engage in public debate. We don't have to prove to the world that we are right. We let our actions, our love, prove to them that we are right. God's true church, that we are God's holy people. So this is what we practice, and we can add this